Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something not so instant. Well, I mean, it doesn't take really much time at all, but it's not a dry noodle or anything. It comes from the refrigerated section. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last of the three Nona Lim noodle bowls. This one is spicy miso. A spicy, creamy chicken bone broth inspired by Japanese tonkatsu paired with our ramen noodles. And it gets 1 pepper on the pepper spice-o-meter. So, how do we cook it? Because the last one I did didn't work out all that. Well, I mean, it came out fine, but I really like to have it exact. Open the noodle packet and place in bowl. Pour broth into bowl over noodles. Microwave 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. See, that's what I did last time, and it turned out you're supposed to cut a slit in the noodles and then microwave just that. Put the sauce over that. Yeah. So, anyways, we are on track today for absolutely amazing-itude. Yeah. And we'll do 2 minutes of cooking, I think. It's a 1250 watt microwave. I don't want to start any fires. So here's the noodles in. Yeah. Make sure you can see all the good craziness that's going on. There you go. Now you can see it. And then we've got our broth. So we pour that. And I mentioned, yeah, there, here we go. I mentioned in the other video that these lids are kind of hard to open. They can be, but these actually aren't doing too bad. They remind me of these other bowls that I did from another company. I won't mention their name, but it makes me wonder if these are done by they're like co-packing or something. Okay, so 2 minutes spin in the microwave. Here is, I call the rotating surface thing Rotato. I don't really have a name for the microwave yet. I think it's time we give it a name. So, being the kind of guy that I am, I would like to invite you to give our microwave a name. Contest is open to everyone within earshot right now. If you come up with a good name for our microwave, it will forever be known as that. So, as soon as you see this video, comment in the bottom, say what you think the microwave should be named as. Now, if you're seeing this on YouTube, that's where it's only going to count. If you're seeing this on Facebook, sorry Charlie, this posted a long time ago. This posted probably about 100 days ago, so sorry. But yeah, if you're on YouTube and you're looking at this and you're one of the fine people that are following the Ramen Raider there, you're set. So yeah, hopefully one of you guys comes up with a neat name for that microwave over there. It's a rad microwave. It's quite a story to it too. We got one of the, what did we do? We bought a microwave brand new at Best Buy and it didn't work. And then we went and returned it. And when we got one of these, got it home, opened it up, and the entire front of it was spidered, cracked, smashed. And it's like, really? Really? So we get home, and it's just like, okay, we're gonna have to go back there tomorrow. I took it out of the box, took a picture of it, put it back in the box, sealed the sucker up. Go back there the next day. It's like, you have any more of these? They're like, yeah, do you want to make sure it's okay before you take it home? It's like, that'd be great. And it was, and there it is. And it's like the raddest microwave ever. I love it. For microwaving things. Microwave anything in it. You could microwave a football if it behooved you, but it does not behoove me because the smell of microwaved football just doesn't sound all that appetizing or wonderful. So let me go get this bowl. I bet it's gonna be like painfully hot. Interesting. Actually, I'm going to try it out of the microwave bowl first. Let's give it a stir. Yeah. That didn't make any sense. Why would someone do that? Because I felt like it. So the noodles... Oh. So I will say right now, if you use a microwave like mine, when you do the noodles up, they kind of come out in the middle. They're a little stiff still. But be careful, because when they break apart, they'll splatter all over the place. Oh, really? Huh. Maybe it needs another minute. That's really weird. The other ones didn't do this. But they seem to be, well, they you know, you stir them. Let's give it a try. Is it too cold? What the? I'm trying this one more time. Well, I will say from trying a lot of miso ramen that this is probably the strangest miso ramen I've ever tasted in my life. And unfortunately, it's not a miso ramen I like whatsoever. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this just makes me want to run for the hills. But, you know, the other two were pretty good. Oh. Yeah. There's some spring onion. Nice soft egg. And one of my favorite garnishes of all time, mung bean sprouts. A little pinch of pepper flake. A little bit of sesame seed. And I've got some kind of shichimi here. I'll just do a dusting of that on the egg. And I'm calling that a day. Right there. What do you think? I mean, it looks nice. I'm really bummed because the green curry was really quite nice. And the Ten Ten Men, although it tasted more like Hamburger Helper to me, it was tasty. I would have eaten that. So... But this one, yeah, I can't say that I like this one at all. So, anyways, Rotato, do your stuff. been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Give that microwave a name. Have a good one. Bye.